Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Defender error 577 service failed to start, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, here's what one would suggest. They would say simply start the service. I say no. That is not the solution. The main solution is to delete any third-party program which is interfering with Windows Defender, because that is the program that will suppress Windows Defender and work on itself. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, wait for the list to load, and then search for any third party program that is installed on the system. Click on the three dots associated with it and uninstall it, and uninstall it completely. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.